was hoping we would get one good just launch, but I asked Haiden to go on the tube, but he was like, he doesn't want to. I was like, you can tow me on it, it's fine. I wanted to like get a good launch. It looks funner than it is. Like when you hit the wave, dude, that tube doesn't have a lot of air in it, so your butt goes right to the water. It hits pretty hard. I think I got one good, like straight up, down. I don't know. Not as flexible as they used to be, I guess. It's been a while since I hit the ground really hard. Maybe not. I hit the ground pretty hard on the skate park. When I endoed at the skate park, that was a good one. Yes, I've had a good crash recently, so I'm good. Alright, so a little boat action there. The sun decided to go back under a cloud. I think it's gonna come out here in a minute. It's so weird. This whole sky was just cloudy. Now it looks like it's gonna be sunny. But anyway, we go grab something to eat, then try to get back out. I still want to go wake surfing today. Try to do it while I can, because we're going to go back to Florida and get back to training here. So only a few days off. Try to enjoy it before we go back to Tallahassee, which the only thing to do in Tallahassee is ride dirt bikes and really train. So trying to get a break, take a break for a minute, but anyway, it's all good.
Got a new hat. Yo, what's up with the goat?
What goat?
Is that self-proclaimed?
Yeah, our family's built like a goat.
I know you're bummed I couldn't take you to the arcade, but I got something even better.
How do you want arcade?
I brought the arcade to us.
No way!
Yeah.
You're joking!
I did, it is.
You're joking!
It's good.
No, I did.
Alright, you wanna come downstairs and check it out?
You're tripping, dude.
Here's your first tool for the arcade.
No way!
You're gonna need this too, and you're gonna need these.
Do you think I can flip and catch it?
Oh! See, we don't even need to go to an arcade.
Okay. Hold on, stop. Alright, where's the spatula?
Spatula? Alright, your objective. You gotta scoop the Q-tips in the bowl.
Can I put them in front?
Yeah, we were supposed to use cotton balls. We couldn't find cotton balls. So you're gonna have 30 seconds. And if you can do it, I'll give you $5.
Alright.
I'm gonna give you 30 seconds. No hand, hold on, no hand.
It's so awkward.
Alright, ready, set, go. Oh, you're doing good. Alright, you're at 10 seconds.
Did I get one?
Alright, you're at 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1, stop.
You do not know how hard that is, dude. That's way harder than you think. I'm like scooping and I'm like, was I get one almost in?
Yeah, you're close.
Alright.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Come on, you gotta get him in the ball. Get him in the ball.
Oh, you're so close, dude.
What are you doing? You're just knocking him off. Oh, you got 15 seconds.
You moved the ball.
Oh.
You moved the ball.
Put him in the ball. You gotta put him in the ball. Alright, you're done.
You moved the ball. No, you didn't. You did this. You kept moving it.
Alright, you ready for round 2 of the games?
I love this game.
You gotta roll it in.
Oh, I love this game too.
But
hey, no, you gotta pay money. Like 5, 10, 20.
What do you think I'm doing? You gotta roll it across the table. You get 5 tries, and that's it.
Alright, boys, ready?
Alright.
Oh, that's bad.
There goes one.
Okay, that's really bad.
Oh. There goes 2 tries.
Oh, I was looking at.
Oh! Oh, no, you'll see at the end. You'll see at the end. Okay?
Alright, then take that cup off.
Alright, so you get 2 more tries. Better make it worth it.
Dang it. Alright, one more try.
Last try, come on, Carl.
Oh, that's bad. Dang it. Alright.
You won $1.
Oh. You messed up.
Alright. Oh! Alright, you got 1, Sean. Oh, okay.
No.
Was that the 4 or the 5?
That's 4.
All right, you get one more try.
Nope.
Dang, he's in a rush.
You want to see what you want? $1 and nothing. Huh?
You got $1.
Huh?
The other cup didn't have anything in it.
And I get my dollars. Because you can just keep it.
Oh, thanks, bro.
You can just take it.
You know I need it, right? All right, so the game is Huck has to guess. We have to see how good your soda skills
yeah,
are.
Well, there's mystery sodas, mix up.
The mystery one will be the last. Can you do these first? Can you even reach this?
Hi.
All right.
Ew.
You want to try them all first, or?
Another drink. Diet Coke?
Number 2. And Huck cannot see from this angle, just to be clear.
Oh! That's definitely normal Coke. This is Diet Coke. Deep Dr. Pepper. They're all super warm, so they don't taste like anything. Root beer?
All right. No, yeah, hold on, we'll do that one last. All right. You're 4 for 4. Something tells me that you drink a lot of soda.
Wait, I got 4 for 4?
Yeah, of course you got them all right.
I've never, you can ask my mom, I've never drank a Coke in my life.
All right, now we'll do the mystery flavor. There's 2 flavors combined. What flavors are there?
I don't know, it's kind of good. That's really good. It tastes like Coke and root beer? Yeah. No way.
5 for 5, dog.
No way. No way, I got the last one right. Try it, doesn't that taste good? This is like a root beer float. Yeah, it does taste good.
Back at it after Washougal 1-1, so yeah, I mean, we got some weeks off. I think 2 weekends off, so that means 3 weeks. And then yeah, so we're gonna be training for a couple weeks, try to get better. I'm young still, so we're gonna keep learning every week. And yeah, excited. It's close. But yeah, we're gonna have some fun today. type, son.
Finally, after 6 months.
You can keep those ones, though. Damn, it's hot. America. Like that? American flag? That's sick at night, probably. Lights up the American flag. Just lay it down.
Finally got all your trophies?
Yep, we're gonna go put them all in the house. I need a trophy wall. I gotta go make sure. I gotta go get like big cabinet.
Right, dude, no. You need a trophy room. You plan for the future.
I mean, shoot, we got how many trophies out already?
A lot from this year. Daytona, the excitement after the podium there, and it just has kept going.
I know, it's good.
But if you think about round one, how stoked we were on 4th place, and then later in the year, we're super bummed on a 4th place.
I know. All right, we're done at the farm. It was a good day. Back training, so yeah, it was dialed. And we got some new designs up on shopdeegan38.com as well, so make sure you guys go check those out. They're sick. Go cop them. And yeah, subscribe.